In this video, I try and make a Canva thumbnail for YouTube as fast as I can. I have a daily vlog channel. It's on about 108 daily uploads, so we're going crazy bananas on uploads over there. I've got my, stay tuned to the end of the video because I will show you the click-through rate as well. And I've got my timer here. I recorded this last night because I was under pressure. I just, when you're doing daily vlogs, you have to upload them as and when. And it was last night. I was going to do a live chat, but I just wanted to add it to the stream here. I just wanted to show you guys it and to see how quick you can make a thumbnail. Not all thumbnails have to be works of art. When you're doing daily vlogs, you have to get, the most important thing is to get the video up, then the thumbnail. Sometimes I've left it a couple of times. So what you can see here, I'll just start the video. You can see here I sort of roll over and press custom size. You can see at the top of the screen there. So this is the screen grab of me recording it yesterday. So we've got some guesses on our Facebook group. So join the Facebook group, the Shite Club. I know, great name, demonetized, and we'll see what happens. So let's see how fast it goes. I'll try and ready. Get my arrows lined up. 3, 2. We're using Canva, by the way, link below. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're off. We've selected the size. We've done that before. We're dragging the photo over from our desktop. This is the issue here. We've got the upload. It takes a while before you can then cut out the background. I've got it laid up. This is the background one I'm going to blur out. I've lost time there. I've lost time. I've added the new image again, so I'm going to cut the background out so I can, whilst that one's cutting out, I've gone on to the background image. I'm going to blur that. I'm going to only very slightly, but just blur it a bit, vignette it. And then I've just got to try and line it up because I just went over, I overlapped the background a little bit. And I don't want to add this one as the background as well by mistake. I got sent this by a customer, by a subscriber. So I'm going to just literally use a question mark. This is where I failed here. I love Anton. I mean, I felt so tense doing this. I was literally sweating. I wanted to put this question mark behind my shoulder, and I never went back and did it really. I didn't size it out quite right. So you can see here, I go to put some effect on. I want it to just lift slightly, but I wanted it then to be behind me. But I sent it back. There's no need to send it back. That was wasted 4 seconds there because it's not in front of anything. There we go. Download. Do I count the upload? No, I'm going to count the download because obviously the download. Once I hit download, you're down to the gods of the internet. So there we go. I've uploaded it, and that's back to the start again. So stay tuned. I'll show you the click-through rate, and then I'll show you how long it took me. Okay, here we go. The click-through rate for the video. Bear in mind, it's a very small channel. I've got 460 something subscribers, potentially, off the top of my head. It started off as a behind the scenes of the main channel. It's turned into a daily vlog, and this is going to be my channel where I share behind the scenes stats and stuff like that. So let's have a quick look at this one. We'll go into the stats here. You can see the lovely thumbnail. We'll go into reach, and we've got an impression rate, click-through impressions. Sorry, click-through rate, 13.7%, which is great. But then again, I haven't got too many viewers. So if that was if YouTube wanted to show my vlog to more unsubscribed people, then potentially, well, the people that it's got the impressions from here, this is YouTube recommended. It's 21%. Let's see how long it took. How long did it take? First of all, we also have some guesses in the Shite Club. The guesses have come in here from, I put this out last night, so join the Shite Club. There's a link below. We've got Adam Harris, guessed 1 minute 32 from all the way from New Zealand. You'll need 2 hands to handle my package. Don't know what that's about. Alison PG, Alison Pig, who's a Patreon, so thank you, Alison. She's put as little as 30 seconds, but if you're making decisions, it could be 3 minutes. So she's gone. I'll give her 2 guesses. She's a Patreon. She gets 2 guesses, 30 seconds or 3 minutes. So the winner is Adam Harris, because he guessed 1 minute 32. The time it took me, 1 minute 16 seconds. We'll round that up to 1 minute 17. So well done to Adam Harris. You haven't won anything this time, but you have got a t-shirt on the way to you anyway. If you want more videos like this, please do like and subscribe. If you want to go and watch that video that I did the thumbnail of, just go tap over on, I'm trying to do this on a live stream here. Just go and tap here. This is the actual video that I unboxed. Please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you soon for another video. Take care.